Okay, good day. I am from Globalace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your by data from Alawa L Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. It's alright.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am. But I have old fracture here, ma'am, left side. But
Okay.
I can work.
Okay. So the one we no more ready, is it? That's one an old fracture.
Yes, ma'am. That's
Okay. So
the
what this is your first time working abroad, is it?
yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? They got higher salary than here.
I I want a job, ma'am. Like because in Saudi, ma'am, I don't. Uh,
You're not comfortable in Saudi.
yes, ma'am. Because I have an issue before.
Okay.
In
So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I am 8 sorry. I am single. I am 30 years old. I live in Barangay Surigao del Sur, Philippines. I I have six siblings and I am the youngest. I know how to cook, I know how to clean the house, washing, ironing, and I am fast learner, ma'am.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you first. Do you have children?
No, ma'am.
You are
I am
single.
single. Yes, ma'am.
You have boyfriend?
No, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
April 17, 1994.
What is your height and your weight?
I am my height is 5'2" and my weight is 50 kilograms.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Your educational background?
I am high school graduate.
Okay. Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My parents, my mother is um housewife. She's 68 years old. My father is farmer and he's six, 76 years old.
Okay. So why you wanted to work as a domestic helper? You know that it is very tough job.
Uh, because of my dreams, ma'am.
You think you can handle it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then how will you gonna survive the homesickness later on?
I I keep myself busy, ma'am. Uh,
Keep yourself busy. Okay. So do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
yes, ma'am. 2 years
In
here
which
in
place in the Philippines?
here in the Philippines. Yes, ma'am.
In which place?
In Davao City, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
2020, 2021 to 2023.
Okay. Can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment?
Um, uh, Cooking. I know how to cook, clean, washing, washing clothes, and how to take care of pet.
Did you iron?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of pet is that?
Uh, uh, just like Austin,
Sorry?
it's a dog.
It's a dog. Okay. Do you know how many years you will going to sign a contract?
Yes, ma'am. 2 years.
Yes. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You were the one wanted to come and work here. Okay? So if anything, once breaching of contract, you know that you have a consequence. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you're entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house. If you will work, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you are okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want later that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will going to ask permission to your employer that you wanted to go out and you wanted to hold your phone for the whole day. Because no such a thing, we will going to adhere with our terms and conditions of no go out policies, yeah? And usage of handphone during nighttime only, and you also agree it. But if you disagree, then it's okay, better don't come here. So that you cannot give us problem also and you don't give problem to your family and to yourself also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
As long as you are okay, then it's okay, fine, you can come, but just work properly and don't give us problem. As long in our initial interview, I already informed you about all these things. I clarify and be clear to you about all our terms and conditions. I don't want later that you will complain and demand us about this. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah?
Yes.
So, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your baby?
Uh, for children, ma'am, not an infants.
Infant, yes or no? I want the specific
And
answer.
no infants, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what do you like most doing the chores?
Um, like cleaning, ma'am, in
Cleaning.
the house. Yes.
Okay, so employer here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So you really must need to work properly because as I have mentioned, employer here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to go abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted a better future for yourself as you mentioned a while ago. Yeah? In
Yes, ma'am.
Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations. You need to respect the employer and respect the culture. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So I give you a scenario. What will you do if there is a fire inside the house? What will you do?
Uh, I call the, ano, ma'am, if I'm the one inside the house, ma'am,
Yes.
I, I, if there are stang extinguisher, ma'am, I can use it, ma'am.
Okay. So just don't rattle. Okay?
Yes.
Focus on what you are going to do if in case there is a fire inside the house. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, April. It was my pleasure meeting you. But stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye.